Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If Hibernate mode is not working on your computer, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to disable the fast startup. For that we need to press the Windows and the R key together and type the command powercfg.cpl and click on enter. Then we need to click on choose what the power buttons do. Here we will change the settings that are currently unavailable, because if you see, these boxes that we need to click or uncheck are check are grayed out. So change the settings, and we need to make sure that we check the hibernate box and click on save changes, and that should be it. The next thing we need to do is to change the plan settings. So we need to go back to change when the computer sleeps, change plan settings, and we need to reset or restore the default settings for this plan and click on yes, and that should be about it. It should go into hibernate mode. But if it doesn't, the last solution is to run an SFC scan. So for that we need to go to command prompt, right click on it, and then click on run as administrator and input the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. Wait for the scan to finish and restart the computer, and then check if the system goes into the hibernate mode. It more definitely should. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.